Hi, this video is going to show you how to set up a Google survey. Okay, so this is your Google page. You're going to need to sign in first. You're going to enter your username and your password in the fields. If you've not done this yet, we will discuss this in another video. So once you sign in, you can tell that you've signed in because you'll see your name, my name Christine Edwards, up in the right-hand corner. To get to Google Docs, you're going to click on Drive in the black bar running along the top. This brings you to all of your forms that you've created. To create a new form, click the red Create button, then you have all of your options. We're going to focus on Form. Form is the same as Survey. So the first thing that's going to pop up is that you're going to need to retitle your form. So just type in what you'd like the title to be. Then you can pick a template. You can choose any one you would like. Today we're going to go with Pink Flowers. Click on it. You'll see that it's selected because there's a blue outline around it. Then click the blue button. So you'll see the title of our form is up top, and then you can insert some help information for the people taking the survey. So then you can see that we have one question loaded already. To insert a question, just highlight the text and type in whatever you would like your question to be. The field below is for help information, so we're just going to put some information to help people answer the question. Okay, so now you can go ahead and select the type of answer choices you would like your person to have. As you can see, there's many different options. Everything from text, paragraph text, checkboxes, choose from a list, and scale and grid we're not going to go into today. The one we are going to use today is going to be text. It's the perfect length for a one name, answer, or an email address. As you can see, that's what the question will look like. If you would like this question to be required, check the box next to required question and then click the blue button for done. You can see what the question would look like for your person. To edit this question after you're finished, click the pencil to be able to edit. When you're satisfied with your question, click the blue button and you will see that your question is finished. To add a new question, you can click the arrow next to add a question or click add question. You will see a similar template will pop up right away. Insert your question you would like to ask, insert any help fields if you would need to, and then select the question type that you would like. This time we're going to try choose from a list. We will select one option in this feature. It sort of looks like a drop-down menu when it's done. Click the checkbox next to required question again, and then you can see what the answer looks like. As you can see, it looks like a drop-down menu. We'll do one more question. This time we're going to do checkboxes. The difference between checkboxes and choose from a list is that choose from a list only allows you to try one answer. Checkboxes allows you to select multiple answers. So again, input your question, insert any help text to help the people answer your question, and then insert your answer choices. We are going to put in subjects that teachers may teach in this one. So teachers, like in the 5th grade, may teach all of these subjects, so they would be able to select as many options as apply to them. Click Done when you're finished, and you can see that the checkboxes look different than the drop-down list. This field on the bottom is what will appear once the person who's taken your survey has submitted their survey. So, for example, this one just says, has your response has been recorded? We can change this to anything that we would like to customize your form. Below that, there is a few checkboxes. You can select whichever ones apply to what you would like your survey taker to see. We're just going to remove all the checkboxes in this scenario. You have finished your form. To preview what this form will look like for people who take the survey, click the View Live Survey Form. This is the view that people who are taking your survey will see. As you can see, we've got our questions, the text field, the choose from a list, and then the check boxes as well. To exit this window, simply click the X to X out of the window. If you would like to edit some of your questions, as I saw that I needed to edit one of mine, click the pencil that says Edit next to it and make the changes that you need to for each of those questions. When you are completed, it will say all data saved in Drive. To view the responses, Click the View Responses form. As you can see, it comes up as an Excel document. You have finished creating your form. X out of this window, and then you can scroll through your library to find your form or your survey. As you can see, sample is listed and sample responses. Sample is the live form. If you click on it, you'll be able to see that editing feature again. If you would like to see the responses, you can click the sample responses. Thank you, and if you have any questions about Google surveys or Google Forms, please feel free to email me at c.edwards@dps61.org.